Welcome back to Born Again Motoring, and today we got a special treat. Look at this, a 993 911 classic analog car, the last of the air-cooled Porsches, sitting on works wheels. Man, there is no expense spared on this. The owner was telling me put a lot into the suspension. It's been overhauled. I'm not going to talk about pricing, but this is not stock and this is not your daddy's Porsche. Let's go for a ride. Nice and low. This gorgeous Momo steering wheel. Carrera S. Wow. This is a treat. Let's see if I can figure out where the seat controls are. Oh yeah. Yeah, Formula style clutch. Look at this shifter. And of course it fires right up. We are in business. I'm gonna have to move the seat back. Let's see, is there a... Oh man. Okay, it warmed up a little bit. So let's take it for a spin. There we go. Okay, we're on the move now. What a fun car. No vagueness of the gears, that's for sure. They're a little taller. Yeah, racing brakes. For sure, this is a track car. That brake squeal is unforgettable, but this Momo steering wheel is glorious. This thing is warming up. Oh, it's hard to beat an analog car like this, I'll tell you. It really is. You cannot get this experience in today's cars. I'm so grateful that AJ was kind enough to let me take it out, because while I drive Corvettes, I drive all sorts of cars. I am definitely a Porsche guy. As an enthusiast, this is the pinnacle sports car, and this 997, the last of the air-cooled, it's an icon, it's a tradition, it's the end of an era, it's the end of a legacy. And this one is not playing around. Now, the seat I can't really adjust. I was sitting there playing with it, and that's a little bit of for me, my positioning, because I'm 6 foot tall, longer legs. I can't really heel toe as much as I would like because my legs are cramped, especially being all legs. But outside of that, wow, I feel like I'm in a World War II fighter jet. And this, for being a 97, it seems like from a insulation and everything perspective, it seems like I'm in a much older vehicle. But a lot of that has to do with the work that my friend has done to this. But I'll tell you what, the steering is so direct, so precise. There's no mistaking what you're in. Let's flip around over here. Yeah, there is no mistaking these brakes. This is a race car. It feels so cool though. You know, people are wondering, what is this? They don't know. They know it's a Porsche, but to know the heritage, to be able to be an icon, it's like meeting a hero. Sure, it's not a 911 turbo, but that doesn't matter. This is a piece of automotive history right here. Same thing can be said about every 911, so it applies. Here we go. Burn that out. Wow. All right, I think it's warm enough for us to get on it. Yeah, oh, that instant throttle response. That is good. That is gold. This is 280, I think, to the crank, but because because it's so light, because there's no nannies, it glides along. Wow, getting this clutch going is... So my buddy is returning this to stock and he's going to sell it. And man, I would love to own this, to be honest, but I don't have the garage space for it. We're just hit 70,000 miles. This is a driver's car. They always have been. Yeah, the hype is definitely there. Excellent car. Oh, I'm grateful I got to drive this. Well, thanks for tuning in. I know it's a quick ride, but my buddy's waiting. I didn't want to keep him out in the cold for too long. There we go. God bless you and your families. I am out.